Hey guys, Devi here, and I would like to welcome you to my channel. This is another crypto video about a smart contract called Troncase. In fact, it is Troncase 2.0. It is the newest version and a great improvement of the old smart contract. And in this video, I just want to show you guys my team update and also all the updates that are going on in Troncase. So guys, this is the home page, as you can see here, troncase.pro, and everything it shows here. Let us first see the contract and see how the contract is doing. So the contract has so far a balance of 22 million TRX. Let us look at the transactions. How is it? So I love this contract because you can see that people are just investing in the contract and there are very few withdrawals. And if I'm to check the withdrawals here, these are the ones with zeros. In most cases, I find that they are small withdrawals. This one is 600 TRX, which is pretty big. This is 200. But sometimes I check here and I see very small withdrawals, which is not even good, because you will be charged for transaction fees, yet even what you are withdrawing is small. Check this. This person withdrew 15 TRX. So just imagine how much he or she was charged for withdrawing this small TRX. So guys, let me just give you this pro advice. Never withdraw small TRX because you'll just be paying more transaction fees than actually what you are withdrawing. So guys, that's the contract. Let us look at the analysis here. It is growing, as you can see. If you see this growth here, that is a very good sign that the contract is doing well. Contract, you can check on it. It is already verified. And guys, if you can put some Tron in the smart contract, actually now it is paying me up to 1.5%, and over 35 million TRX has been contributed. Sorry, this is a different account. Let us go to the main account here. Actually, it is paying me up to 1.5% as we speak. Hold on, what's the matter? It's not loading here. Just come. So I'm getting 1.5% daily because I held on to my funds without withdrawing, and my current hold bonus has been maxed out, which is 1% plus the 0.5, which is basic. I end up getting 1.5%, and over 14,000 participants have participated in the smart contract so far. And guys, I'm telling you, this is just the beginning. So if you check on that official Telegram channel, they also showed us this, the news about the contract and everything. Guys, you should join this Telegram channel because they post everything here, and you should always be updated in whatever business that you're trying to do. So to leave that aside, before we go away from the contract, the Telegram, guys, I also formed up my Telegram channel here. It's called Tron but where I give tips and also recommend for you some smart contracts to join. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Also, feel free to join our community, and when you join, make sure you read the pinned posts because they are important and they can help you to beat these smart contracts really hard. So let us leave that aside. We go. So let us go to my account and I show you guys how we have reached. This is the 1.5% I'm earning every day because I held onto my funds. I haven't invested big here because I had invested and I had money in Troncase, the first version. So I'm waiting for a refund and I'm going to put all that I have that they are going to pay me here. It is around 11,000 TRX. So this is the whole bonus I held for 10 days and I only put 600 TRX in this account at the beginning. But I've been able to build a team and I've gotten rewarded for building my team. Check guys, I have 48 team members in my first level, 43 in second level, and so on and so on. So guys, I would emphasize you to join Troncase. It is a low risk, and if you love low risks, just put some Tron here. You can get started from 100 TRX and you can invest any amount that you want. And all you have to do is hold on for just 10 days and you'll achieve this maximum, which is 1.5% per day, like me. So guys, that's it about Troncase. I just wanted to show you my progress. I'll see you in the next video. Link is in the description. Join and we make Tron in Troncase here. So that's it. See you in the next video.